un puppy que no puedes educarlo como debe ser, pues porque no...
Una vez en casa
Como dice ella, mi perra pasaba la...
y una vez papá lo saca a
Instagram
pasear
Live.
y lo veo
Estamos
papá.
live. Ups, no sé.
Peggy, mejor
Sí.
hacer todo sola tú.
Sí, estamos live.
Sí.
Hello. Welcome back. Panama Peg here. Today we have an amazing assistant, Miss Nelly.
Hello.
Woo! She is going to make the bread today. Vamos a hacer pancito. Mira, pancito de Panama Peg. ¿Qué necesitamos? We need 2 cups of flour, a 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon salt. We put it all together in our little sifter thingy here. Vamos a hacer así.
And we drink mimosa.
Y con mimosa siempre. Y después vamos a poner el yogur. Y todo eso le hacemos 20 minutos en el horno a 350 grados. ¿Ok?
Ok.
Entonces, vamos a empezar. Okay, you guys ready? Woo! I hope you got all your stuff. Okay, here we go. We're going to start with flour. Una cuchara. 2. Here we go. Now you can use any flour you want. You can use gluten-free, wheat flour, you know, any flour you want. Está bien. You're gonna need this. You're gonna need this later. Okay. Después, ¿qué hacemos?
Después vamos a echar baking soda.
Baking soda. So we need a 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Find a little hole there. Yeah. Now it's good to sift it because sifting it will make it more even and you won't get those clumpy things, okay? And then we're going to put a 1/4 teaspoon salt. Yes. And we're going to sift it. Go for it. Yep. And now we're going to go. Okay, this is where we need the music. The little.
Where's the music? Where's it? What happened with your music?
I'm the one doing the music. Okay, we're doing the music. We're going. Woo! It's amazing what a little mimosa does, eh?
Yep.
Okay, now this bread is my favorite because it's got all the seeds in it. Now you can do anything you want. You can put sesame oil, sesame seeds, flax seeds, chia seeds, fennel seeds, any seeds you want, okay? So once we got all that, we'll take rid of this.
Okay.
Okay, and then we'll put in some of that. This is one of my favorites. This is very good for metabolism, believe it or not. So when you get to a certain age.
NASA. You tell me, Peggy. I stop now?
Oh no, keep going. Let's go crazy.
There you go.
Woohoo! Yeah, that's
Okay.
good. Yeah. Okay, and we'll put some flax seeds. Yeah? We'll put some flax seeds today. I'm gonna do some flax seeds. Flax. Okay, very good. Very
know.
good. Yeah, it's good. Looks good to me. I don't know. It's up to you.
No, you failed.
You don't want to get.
Maybe
Oh, we'll
we
do
won't
that
say
later.
that.
We'll do that one
Okay.
later. Okay, now we
So we
swoosh
put
it
more of
around.
this.
Okay, we can put more of that. You can go crazy. You can do as much as you want. Okay, now we're gonna go. We're gonna swoosh it around. My favorite word: swoosh, 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 swoosh. Make sure you swoosh it good.
You have a relaxed day today.
I'm very relaxed today. Yes, very relaxed. So we're gonna swoosh, 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 and then we're gonna put in my favorite ingredient: yogurt. Wow!
Yeah.
Who does bread with yogurt?
Peggy.
Estamos bien ahí. Okay, now we need some gloves. A little sippity doo of mimosa. Yes, a little mimosa. Let me get rid of this. All right, put on these sexy gloves. Oh yes, sexy gloves. Yeah, you want to put gloves on for this part. I'll tell you why. If you do it with your hands, you wind up getting it in your nails. It gets really icky. So you want to use gloves. And gloves, they might be a bit big. It's good. Keep it big. Viene. Here we go. We're going to finish off the yogurt.
Tienes una cucharita
Para terminarlo.
Yep.
Okay.
And we put it in the middle.
Yeah. Oh, I think the other one's ready. Now, while we were having mimosas and coffee and all that good stuff. Our favorite Panama Joe coffee. We decided to make a little sesame bread. So we're gonna have extra bread today. There you go.
Okay.
Knock yourself out there.
Now we mix.
Let me just check this one. Doesn't that look yummy? Yeah, man. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna put it on grill. How am I gonna do that without killing yours? Okay, I think I'll put it on grill just like this. Like this. So we're gonna put it on grill for like 3 minutes so the top part gets nice and crusty.
Estoy haciendo una pelota.
Okay, here we go. Melly's going crazy.
Este está como más.
This is my favorite assistant ever.
Favorite neighbor.
I think I'm going to start inviting friends over so that they can actually do the cooking. Because when you're doing it,
You learn.
you learn so much faster when you do it, you know?
What do you think?
Keep going. You're almost there. Almost there. Okay, let me see. So we're going to put it on our trusty little thingy here. And then what we'll do,
Listo, ¿te parece bien así?
yeah, that looks fantastic. So now you just shove it in this thing here. Okay. And then we swoosh it a little bit, make it a nice little round thing. What do you think?
Yep.
Yeah? Don't worry about that. Don't worry, don't worry.
De mi
It'll all
guante.
come off.
Se me
It'll
están
all-
cayendo.
Don't worry. Super. Okay, I'm going to help you this part so you don't have to get your gloves on and off, okay?
Okay.
So I'm going to put a bit of seed here. Okay, we're going to put some of this. So this is a trilogy. This is flaxseed, fennel seed, and hemp seed, chia seed, I don't know, all kinds of seeds. Okay, and then we're going to put a bit of
Mira.
Himalayan salt. Little Himalayan salt there.
Yo voy a switch. ¿No?
And you swish it just a little bit, just a little swoosh, swoosh, swoosh. Okay, and then we're gonna put it. We can take our gloves off now.
Thank
Throw 'em
you.
in our little pan there. There you go. Wow! Is she amazing or what? That took all of what, 4 minutes? I love it. Now we're gonna throw it in the oven, but I'm gonna pull out the other one. Okay, so here's your recipe. We'll go through the recipe one more time, just in case you missed it. And I'm now gonna put it on this one here. 350, and we're gonna pull out the other one. Ah, thank you. Can you pull that one out there?
Yep.
Thank you. So you have a little idea of what it's supposed to look like. This we're gonna throw in.
Delicious.
Ta-da!
¿Lo pongo encima de esto?
Yeah, sure. So this one is the sesame one I did. And we cut it, and I serve it with hummus.
Whoa.
Okay.
You have to try that.
So you'll have to check out my hummus recipe at my YouTube channel, Panama Peg 11. There you can learn how to make hummus, and it's super easy. You don't have to go and spend all kinds of money and worry if you get home in time that it doesn't get cold. Because
And
you know,
healthy.
being in Panama and all, everything gets like
Love hummus. And healthy.
super yucky in no time. So you want to be fast. Anyways, so hopefully you like the recipe. Thank you, Melly.
You're welcome.
Melly's the
Bye-bye.
best. Check out our YouTube channel. Hope you enjoyed the show. And we will see you next Sunday. Let me know what you want me to make, and we're here for you.
And you're out.